Tyler,
Where's Mommy?
what are you doing?
Splashing?
Making splashes? Jumping in the puddles? Tyler, splash.
One more.
Good boy.
There you go. Now we're getting into it. Yeah, that's Connor's house. Ready? Splash. Boom. There's Angela's car right there.
Can Mommy see some splashes?
Show Mommy some splashes. Big splashes. Oh. One more. Ooh. Jump. Good splash. Good splash.
Tyler, look at Mommy and say goodbye.
Say goodbye.
I'm over here.
Goodbye, Mommy.
Bye, cutie.